friends! The Koenigsegg KXX is a crazy invitation for a brilliant designer, Emre Husmen, that demonstrates what a more truck-focused hypercar than the Jesko may look like. Husmen merged elements of his personal design style with Koenigsegg stylistic features to create this car. This kind of vehicle may be the ideal replacement for the Jesko and raise the bar for the products made by Swedish automaker. A striking front bumper with an air intakes and curved LED lights bar instead of a standard headlamps sets the tone of the rest of the vehicle. In order to breathe in cold air, the hypercar has 4 huge air intakes and the aerodynamic shroud that surround them and help to produce a lot of downforce. The KXX Wild's texture, curves and lines combines with the company's recognizable wraparound windscreens and side windows. Afterward, you will probably notice the complicated silver wheels and the bizarre door forms, finished with the large indents making way for a huge air intake on either side. It's also possible to see a complex aerodynamic skirts, which would help in boosting downforce even further. There are a lot of equally insane designer features that can be seen at the back of the KXX. The largest and the most noticeable is a towering wing with the prominent uprights that extend from the engine cover. In order to keep the engine cool, the rear additionally supports a sizable diffuser and huge grills. Husmen has envisioned the KXX as having a powerful V8 engine complemented by an electric motor to provide a combined 2000 horsepower. In addition to having an active aerodynamics, adjustable suspension, the same manual or automatic transmission as the CC8-15 and the all-wheel drive, the hypercar's battery could be wirelessly charged. That's all I've got for you today. Subscribe to the channel to avoid missing new episodes. Good luck to everyone and see you in the next video.